Gold is soaring. After cruising past the $1,900 an ounce mark at the beginning of September for the second time in as many months, it continues its surge. But why?
I think it's fear, and it's fear of the lack of growth.
Every time there's even the slight whiff of something negative, then everybody's thinking, oh, it's the double dip, we're going to hell in a handbasket again.
Ultimately, it is a source of value, and that is why people are buying it.
So people are scared and buying gold, and it seems like the right thing to do. But the signs are there that the commodity's value will pull back as fast as it climbed.
Well, people talk about it as a store of value, but really, in my opinion, they're making a speculative trade. They're imagining that if the world ends and there's a Holocaust or something, that the value of the gold that they hold will jump up sharply in value. I mean, they're not doing it because they're going to get any kind of income out of holding gold.
You've seen a great amount of panic buying. I think the amount at which the gold price appreciated over the short period is just unsustainable. We've always seen it. When you see these parabolic moves on any commodities or share or any asset price, the risk of it showing a sharp snapback at some point is high.
Gold will always be there, as it has been for hundreds of years, in industry, on people's fingers, and around people's necks. But in the grand scheme of things, think twice before you put your life savings into gold.
Just remind me how much gold has ever been mined by mankind.
No,
if you had to put it into a cube.
It's not a lot. It's like, the
size of an Olympic swimming pool or the size of a tennis court, a cube size of that.
Yeah.
So we should base our entire financial systems on the size of a cube tennis court. That's crazy.
Yes, I do think there's more upside from these levels on the gold price. I don't think these issues, as I mentioned, that we've got in especially the developed world is going to blow over overnight and we're going to wake up tomorrow morning and, everything will be perfect again. But I think one just shouldn't get caught up in the exuberance when you buy into these asset classes.
Your Kruger Rand is still shiny, but it's, sitting in the safe paying you nothing, and it's worth what it's worth today, but you would have had a much bigger fortune if you'd invested early in some of these growing companies.